your crock pot. Today we're making chicken tostadas. Tostadas are pretty much the same thing as tacos, but they're open-faced. And today I'm going to show you how to make chicken tostadas. This is one of my favorite recipes, and I like to use the filling also for enchiladas, burritos, and stuff like that. This is real simple. All it is 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast or tenders. I'm using tenders today. And to that, I'm going to add just a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. And then you can add either a packet of taco seasoning, or if you make your own, you'll add 2 tablespoons of homemade taco seasoning. And if you like the recipe for my taco seasoning, just check out the tips and tricks on YouTube and look for taco seasoning. And it's much easier, and it's actually tastier, I think. So that's it. So all I'm going to do is just mix this together. Cover it with a lid and stick it in my crock pot base on high for about 2 hours. So through the magic of television and the fact that I did it last night, I've already cooked the chicken. And after it was cooked, I took 2 forks while it was still hot and shredded the chicken in the crock pot. Then took a slotted spoon and pulled the chicken out of the juice along with the tomatoes. You really are not going to have a lot of juice left at the bottom of the crock pot because the chicken absorbs so much of the moisture. So I have a baking sheet, and my oven is preheating at 350 degrees. I'm just going to line it with some foil and spray it with some cooking spray for easy cleanup. Let me get out several, all right, a couple of them are broken. Several of these tostadas. Some tostada recipes call for refried beans at this point. If you want to put them on there, you can. I'd rather just do double cheese. So instead of the beans on the bottom, I'm going to put some shredded Tex-Mex cheese, which is a combination of Monterey Jack, cheddar, and queso cheese. And that will be the base. And then I'm just going to top each one with the shredded chicken and tomatoes. I would say maybe 2 per person, unless you had a big salad or like a big bunch of beans and corn or something like that to go with it. You know, you'd usually have 2 tacos per person anyway. All right, so I'm going to load those up pretty well, and then just add a little more cheese, and then stick them in the oven for maybe 10-15 minutes until the cheese is melted and the chicken is warmed through. My tostadas are done. They're hot. Let me see. I'm going to go ahead and pull them off the pan. And now, oops, we'll garnish them. So of course we want to put a little more cheese on top, just because we can. And then the toppings are just some of my favorites. I have some black olives, some chopped cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, you could use parsley. I'm going to put a little dollop of guacamole on each one. Oops. Get back up here. some chopped green onion, and some diced baby tomatoes. And if you're brave, a couple of jalapenos out of the garden in the backyard. I left the seeds in, so that's really kind of up to you. And then I'm just going to drizzle them with some sour cream, that I just put in a candy making bottle, and some taco sauce. Chicken tostadas.
If you'd like to see more recipes like this, please subscribe. For complete ingredients and cooking instructions and to purchase cookbooks, visit cateringbydebbicovington.com.